he's the person behind the program. And for the last 1 month, every day in and out, she was in continuous dialogue with me, making and looking into each and every nitty-gritties of the program. In fact, for designing and developing a program, you need of hard work before behind the screen. And Rashmi did it exceedingly well. My compliments to you, Rashmi.
Thank you, sir.
And let me tell you that in the today's program, the validatory function, we have invited Dr. Alka Mittal, Director HR. She was very keen to attend this program. And in fact, initially, we had requested her to join at 1. And we knew that the way the presentations were going on, I was requesting ki, please jaldi karo, time ho raha hai. But when I saw the way the presentations were going on, I felt that how can I stop in between, because the subject is such that they have to conclude. The story which have started has to be completed. So then I talked to Rashmi. I said, Rashmi, ye to chal hi raha hai. And somehow we failed in really planning and spacing the test. Somehow next time we will be more careful. We will be very meticulous in our planning. So when you do such activities, in fact, let me thank all my sponsors, right from THGC India Limited, ONGC, Neville Lignite Limited, Utkal Alumina International Limited, uh, uh, NPCIL, Maruti Suzuki. And so, the way we got the response from this program, and we have to say no.
Sir,
I think
yeah.
Your
you got
voice
muted.
is
Okay.
Dr. Ghosh.
Sorry. In fact, we are overwhelmed by the response of the organizations. Lot of ISTD members have joined, especially from the UDP chapter. Mrs. Nivedita Mirachkar, I welcome you. In fact, she alone has contributed in the participation of 10 members. Extremely thankful to you, Nivedita, for making this program a grand success. There is a whole lot of learnings during the whole program, because this was not only a program on POSH. This is a certified program on trainers on POSH. So our aim and objective was not only to impart the legal knowledge of the program, but also to make and develop the participants as facilitators, so that once they complete this program, after the certification is done, they take over as the trainers. And in fact, I'm really very happy to see the level of enthusiasm and the level of competence as trainers. I mean, after the conclusion of this program, we are having 55 trainers. So that is really amazing. Everyone outstanding, everyone. Because of course, it depends upon the years of experience, the knowledge and all that to become a trainer. But the way every one of you represented yourself, and the presentations, the PPTs and all that, oh wow, all that very, very well made. A lot of efforts have been done by all of you for that. So I'm really thankful to each one of you for making this program a grand success. Now I invite our chairperson, Dr. Rashmi Bhargava, to present the report of the program, and then we will move forward. Over to you, Rashmi.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon.
Good
A
afternoon, Rashmi.
man, a man is like a novel. Until the very last page, you don't know how it will end. But, when things end well and with so much of positivity and harmony, yes, the heart does get elevated. As the chairperson of the Board of Accreditation and Certification, ISTD, and also the program director for this POSH program, I'm extremely happy to share that the program was well received, and you would also hear a few trainees speaking about their experience very soon. I'm extremely thankful for our esteemed guest for the valedictory program, Mr. R. Vikraman, I hope I'm saying it right, Director HR, NLCIL, our National President, our National Vice President, Mr. Daniel, Ms. Nivedita Mirajkar, for sparing their valuable time to be with us today. I also acknowledge the presence of Mr. Sunil Abral, our past National President. You know, during the course of these 4 days, I must share it with you, the participants named me Mother Hen, of course, with a protective umbrella. And I did take care of all the chickens, that is the participants and the trainers. And I must share that we became a very cohesive group. You know, that included our participants, trainers, and you won't believe even the ISTD team. You know, and of course, I was also included. We actually got so close, and believe me, I'm definitely going to miss all of them. I would also like to share the reason why we did this design, why we designed this program. As you all know, you're all aware, in 2013, Government of India enacted the Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Prevention, Prohibition and Redressal Act 2013. This is also called the POSH Act. The Act holds an organization. This is very important. The Act holds an organization and the employer responsible for taking measures to prevent incidents of sexual harassment at workplace. The Act also lays down several measures for organizations to be compliant to the Act. One of them is spreading POSH awareness to all the employees in the organization about their roles and responsibilities through training program and similar initiatives. It is advisable to conduct such trainings at least twice in a year. And now it is also legally mandatory to conduct POSH trainings in every organization. As far as our program goes, the first date was solely coming from the legal aspect from a leading lawyer, Ms. Lina Zaveri. We spoke about the Act. We touched base topics like preventive authorities and their functions and responsibilities, constitution of internal complaints, committee obligations, constitution and jurisdictions of local complaints, who can file a complaint, process of conciliation, etc. Second day, our design, there was a slight design change. Second day, we had an expert on Train the Trainer, Ms. Anu Sukhija, who is internationally recognized, who actually taught on how to train people on a topic like POSH. Because we felt that training is not telling. We need to apply adult learning principles and how to actually be an inspirational trainer. The third day, we spoke about the law applicable in the corporates, and Ms. Smita Tandon, who too is a lawyer, took care of it, touching topics like challenges for legal redressal, sexual discrimination, hostile work environments, etc. For me, it also had a personal angle. Being a human resource professional with an experience in both a PSU and multinational companies, I really look forward for the change. The change I want to see is a startup environment where everyone, regardless of gender and background, feels welcome and safe, where sexual harassment or discrimination will not impede great talent from producing great impact. Intentionally, we had tried to make the training program in such a manner that the participants were engrossed all 3 days. Since POSH is governed by a law, we had to explain the intricacies of law, which was a little scientific. We wish that in the last 3 days, whatever learning you have done with us in practically implementing is practically implemented in your respective organizations, and you keep nurturing your team in future. I just hope you all enjoyed the 3 days program, and and you had some knowledge addition. And how can I also forget the nice support and coordination I received from the national office? Dr. Joshi, amazing gem, our IT genius, Gurvinder, Hema, Lakshmi, Shweta, practically everybody played their roles. Subsequently, I would say, always walk through life as if you have something new to learn, and you will. Hope you all had a great time. Thank you, everybody.
Now is the time to take the feedback of the participants. It was grueling 4th day. This is the 4th day. So I'll be inviting some of you, and I'll start with Dr. Devi Prabha.
Good afternoon to all. Namaste. Thank you, Joshi sir, for this opportunity. Never expected. So it is going to be impromptu speech.
Yeah, sure. But that's what we are looking for. We have never told that who will be invited.
My Mother Hen Rashmi, Madam, you are so wonderful. You are so friendly. As I wrote in the chat box, you kept us on your guard and guidance throughout. And you were such a gentle mother hen. And like a mother hen, you kept us. And we started behaving like your chicks. So truly, these 4 days were so wonderful. We are really feeling so emotional. I was wondering, on virtual platform, we become so close to each other. If it would have been an offline program, we would have had buckets of tears now rolling down and going back home. So sad we feel. And the resource persons, the choice of resource persons are awesome. The first day, Leena ma'am, her intellectual knowledge, the knowledge what she has shared us has actually given a good beginning. Initially, when she started all those technical terms when she used, I felt as if I have lost. I thought I wouldn't be able to manage these 4 days. But then within few hours, she felt our pulse and she came down to our level. She forgot that she is a lawyer there. She came to our level and she made it so simple and gave a very good beginning for this particular workshop. And we started really feeling what is POSH and why POSH, how it should be done. We started involving ourselves into POSH. The next day, Anu ma'am stepped in and she made us that you are not just knowing the POSH Act, you are wearing the shoes of a trainer. And you have to be a trainer and you have a responsibility. She remembered our responsibility. You have not come here only to learn and take a certificate and go. You have a major role to play, that you have to transmit knowledge to others who are there waiting for you. Anu ma'am, very awesome training with all the latest strategies and techniques what you have taught us. I feel I am walking on your shoes now. Thank you for making me wear that shoes. Very beautiful. I will carry these shoes whenever I go. Whenever I get into training, I will remember you and wear those shoes and walk those shoes. And to end it yesterday, ma'am, Smita ma'am, actually, you were with us. You were with us throughout. In the beginning only, when we were asking our queries in the chat box, we were thinking, who is this person who is answering our queries? But later we realized there is an intellectual person working behind. And when she came on screen, wonderful. The way she communicated this legal, I think today from morning till afternoon till 2 o'clock, we are going on and on talking about this law, which was a hard nut to crack for me. Today, I know every aspect. It is because Smita ma'am made very, very simple. Everything was very easy. And this workshop was possible. It is, I think, Dr. Joshi, your communication was there. You have kept us mailing us and giving all the details and give us the opportunity to be a part of this. Thank you very much. And all the team at ISTD New Delhi, kudos to you. Big thank you. Grateful for all the help. I should not forget my dear chairperson, Nivedita ma'am. Accidentally, I think she is the president today. Nivedita ma'am, you are there. Please accept a heartfelt gratitude to you for opening the door of ISTD for us to get this opportunity. Thank you so much, Nivedita ma'am. I really enjoyed, and this is not the end for me. This is a new beginning. I am going to take it and make it a big program of POSH in our South India, in our region, with the help and guidance of ISTD. Thank you all, and thank you, Joshi sir, for this opportunity.
Thank you, Dr. Prabha. Now I
bless.
invite Malini Hebbar. Malini.
Dr. Joshi, in fact, you broke my heart when you announced Dr. Devi Prabha's name. I thought, okay, Devi Prabha has been chosen from Mangalore Udupi chapter, so I will never get the chance, I thought. So I was wrong. Thank you very much. Now, this online platform is a great leveler. I don't have to say dignitaries on the days, all of us are together sharing the screen space. So dignitaries from ISTD and other organizations. My predicament today is like the predicament of an Exceller who was asked to rearrange the X according to their shape and size, and he did not know where to start. Now, I know that feedback is not a vote of thanks, but then when the sessions have been so good, I think we end up saying thank you. And I begin with our Panchakanyas. I must say ravishing Rashmi, ace performer Anu, scintillating Smitha, I must say lovely Leena, not to forget our own natural Nivedita. Now, if I'm here today, it's because of Nivedita, because whatever she corroborates and says is good, I go by her word because I know that she has the maturity of knowing what is good for the members of her chapter. So I must say that today, if I can say I'm better than what I was yesterday, it is because of the edifying sessions. Thank you very much. I must make a special mention of all the men out here, beginning with Dr. Joshi and through the participants, male participants. Of course, Purvinder or Gurvinder Singh has remained just a handsome voice for us. We have not got to see him, although he has been clicking our photos. We would be very happy to look at him. I must say that all men out here who have organized this program are the conscience keepers of our society. And we have our faith in you. And thank you very much for that. And I must say that there is no ivory without a crack. So if at all I have to give some kind of constructive suggestion, it's about the booklet. Last night I went through the whole booklet in order to prepare myself for the test. And I found some parts repetitive. Now, if you're not going to print it, it is perfectly all right. But if the booklet is to be printed, maybe the repetition could be avoided. Maybe the material was collected from different sources. So there is a little bit of a repetition which could be avoided if it is getting printed. Otherwise, it's no big deal at all. Thank you very much, Dr. Joshi, for this honor. I enjoyed being with all the participants who helped one another without any professional jealousy. In fact, they were trying to see that we rose up to the occasion and we did our best. And that was the best part of the session for me. Thank you.
Thank you, Malini, for your feedback and valuable suggestions also. We will try to incorporate your suggestions. Next program shall be from 3rd of August. A lot of inquiries were there. So we have announced and the brochure will be out in another 2-3 days. And now I'll request Vaishali.
Thank you, sir. Very good afternoon to all of you. I'm happy, but I'm sad too. Sad because I'm going to miss you all terribly, terribly. I'm happy because when I will say goodbye, maybe at 5 or 5:30, I go back with a wealth of knowledge on POSH, which I'm going to treasure for life. I'm going to treasure it for life. It has been a fantastic 4 days learning experience. My heartfelt gratitude to Leena ma'am. The lesson that I learned from you, though you said, a lot for that from 10 to 5, but one takeaway, you are a person with ocean full of knowledge. And the takeaway that I got from you is this, that I'm going to upgrade my knowledge always. I will always do that. Smita ma'am, the lesson that I got to learn from you is that I, as a trainer, should always have a lot of patience, especially when participants are bombarding me with n number of questions. Yesterday's session, for few minutes, it looked like a question and answer sessions, to be very honest. But throughout the session, you managed to maintain that smile on your face. which is again a lesson to me that if I get questions which looks like a bombarding one, I should always have patience and a smile on my face to ensure that, I answer all those questions. Last but not the least, I'm talking about my mentors first. Anu, I'm already a big fan of yours. Please include me in your fan club. Such a beautiful combination of beauty with brains. Okay, you have balanced the session so well with your sense of humor, and of course, the knowledge that you have on training. I'm so grateful that Leena ma'am, Smita ma'am, and Anu, I'm not calling you ma'am because you said clearly that don't call me ma'am, call me Anu. So I'm addressing you, Anu. I was so touched with, the attitude that you all carried, which was so supportive and so approachable. With the experience of 20, 25 years, someone being so grounded, so humble, is something that has touched my heart. Yesterday, Anu has been sending messages, tips to us till 1 o'clock at night. And trust me, Anu, till date, I'm already in this field for the last 10, 15 years, and I've never got a mentor like this who shares tips in the group, that too till 1 at night. Okay. Last but not the least, Rashmi ma'am, can I call you Mother Hen? That's okay. Okay, you have been a mother to us. Thank you so much. On the first day, let me be very honest, when I saw you, I was very nervous. I was very nervous because you came across to me as a very strict woman, and I was like, whether she's approachable, if there is anything, can I, privately message her? But I was so wrong. Your love, your care, your support, your approaching nature has been so wonderful. So yes, when I say goodbye, I will be sad because I'm going to miss you all. But at the same time, Rashmi ma'am, thank you for this initiative of the pilot batch and empowering us to make a world a better place for women who are employees in a company, and giving us the power to tell them that you are not alone. If you're sexually harassed, we are there for you, and we are here to educate you, to tell you what you're supposed to do. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
God
Vaishali.
bless.
And sorry, I should not be missing out on Niharika. If Niharika is around, if you're listening to us, Niharika, thank you so much for your extra class that you conducted from 6:30 to 7:30. It was so helpful. I'm truly touched, and we will remain friends forever. And yes, Seema, because of this session, I got a wonderful friend in Seema Das. I love you.
Thank you. Very, very emotional. I mean, it shows the worth of the program that we could connect emotionally, though in virtual medium, during the last 3 days. I mean, that is an achievement for us. Thank you all. So now I invite Sandeep Kumar, because this entire program has been dominated by women. It is on POSH, but here the presence of so many women, very few men. Sandeep, please.
Sure, sir. So these days we are reading about UX, okay? UX is user experience. CX is customer experience. EX is employee experience. Now we have a new terminology that ISTD should coin, which is to say that we have LX2, and that's a new competency and a skill, learner experience. So I think I would probably say on behalf of all the trainees over here that as learners, you've had a terrific experience, qualitatively, quantitatively, factually, knowledge-wise, competency-wise, soft skills-wise. So there's a lot that we've learned from each other. And I thank you, Dr. Joshi, and your team, people who worked at the background, people like Gurvinder, Hemaji, Lakshmi, and the faculty were excellently, they're brilliant in terms of their knowledge, in terms of their content, in terms of their attitude to train everybody. And also all the participants, there's been such an excellent camaraderie between all the participants that every person was very engaged throughout the program. So learning experience is something that's new, and maybe we should include it in our brochures as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Sandeep, for the valuable suggestions. Now I invite Manisha Matthews from NLC. Manisha, are you there?
So there are two Manishas actually. One Miss
Manisha
Manisha
Matthews.
Oja and
Manisha
Manisha
Matthews.
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 I'm here, sir. Thank you. Yes, sir.
Yes,
You want me
Manisha,
to?
please.
Yes, sir. You want me to speak?
Yes, yes, yes. I want you
Yes.
to speak.
It was
Yes.
really enriching experience. First of all, I thank my organization for giving me this opportunity. And I also thank all the trainers for being such a wonderful, inspiring trainers. And I need to especially mention Anu Sukija ma'am for dropping in all the technical jargons for us to learn. Really, it was a new world that we were in for the past 3 days. So thank you each and everyone. And also I thank my fellow participants for being so mutually enriching and supportive. Thank you one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, Manisha. Now,
Thank
Miss Madhulika Avasthi from ONGC. Madhulika. Madam, please unmute yourself.
Okay. Yes, it was indeed an enriching experience to come here at ISTD and know about so many things. And I would like to praise two things about your program. Punctuality. You were so punctual. I know I was impressed by it, but because most of the times these programs are always late, but you were so punctual that even 5 minutes also we were never late. So that is something to be something to praise about. Then and another thing that I noted that all your faculty members were so patient. Then that, as Vaishali told, that when they were bombarded with number of questions, still they remain calm as if they are just going to tell you the answer. And that is something I learned from them, that when you go for any training session, you should be very patient with the with so many people. There are different kinds of people, but you're always patient. That is something to the takeaway from me from these faculty members. And as far as Rashmi madam is concerned, as she herself said, mother, and she's excellent coordinator. The way she coordinated between the faculty, the participant, and the technical, most of the people are not very this thing about the technical aspect of it. They are not tech savvy. But in these times when everything is going online, the coordination of Mr. Gurvinder, it was excellent, because he also was like only voice we could hear, but he was so patient in telling everything. Yes, ma'am, I'll tell you. Yes, ma'am, I'll tell you. So I thought this patience and punctuality, these two things, you should be proud of, because this is something missing word. And your faculty, Anu Sukhija and Smita ma'am, and Leena ma'am, they are full of knowledge, and not only knowledge, they are able to communicate to the people. And that is the very spirit of any training, that whatever you know, you are able to communicate properly. And that was communicated in a very good way. I'm extremely thankful to all the faculty members, as well as the team of ISTD for this thing. Thank you so much for giving so much of it.
Thanks a lot, Madhulika ji, for these kind words. We are grateful to you, because punctuality is something we miss in India.
Yes.
We are trying, we are trying. We are late by 2 hours today. And we were just pondering that how to rectify it next. And we really missed your director chart today. And when Mr. Sharma called me and he told me कि मैडम को दूसरी मीटिंग में जाना है, तो मेरा हार्ट दिल टूट गया. It was heartbroken because we really love her, and she has been, कोई भी प्रोग्राम हो, कभी भी हो, बिना बोले हुए जो है हमको पार्टिसिपेंट मिल जाते हैं.
हाँ.
And she is always forthcoming. Such a wonderful lady she is.
Yes.
हमें कि इतनी जिम्मेदारियां उनके पास रहती हैं. पहले वो बोलती हैं कि मुझे मॉर्निंग में 11 बजे मीटिंग है, फिर वो मीटिंग मिनिस्ट्री के साथ में थी, मीटिंग वाज कैंसिल्ड, हमने 1 बजे प्रोग्राम रखा था. शी सेड कि ठीक है, फिर एक का हमने 2 किया, 2 तक भी ठीक था, लेकिन 2 बजे भी जब प्रेजेंटेशंस पूरी नहीं हो पा रही थी, we were unable to complete. We thought that big mistake has happened, and somehow our calculations have gone awry. So we will be really more meticulous. There are a lot of learnings for us from this program. And I know that if I call all of you, it will be difficult for me. So one last participant, anyone who raises the hand. I leave it to you. So no hands raised. Acha. Ramila ji, please, please. Ramila ji and Lilavati, both of you, please.
Sir, Suchita also.
Suchita also? Okay. 2 minutes, 2 minutes each. Thanks for encouraging.
Yeah. Shall I start?
Yeah, please, Lilavati.
Thank you for this golden opportunity to talk with you, and the experience I got from this training program is very much like an investment in my life. It is the design of the program is very simple and sweet. And the last day, that is today, from the trainees, I learned more. And the faculty is also excellent. The total program was not only benefit my organization, it's more beneficial to myself in the future career. So thanks to one and all who has contributed this one. And I have seen today, through this program, I have experienced the empowered women in India, the topmost empowered women. That is a very sweet memory for me. Thank you for this. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Barnali also wants to?
Can I start?
Yeah, Barnali, sure.
No, I'm Ramila.
Okay.
Yeah. Can I or Barnali starting? Okay. Anyway, I'll start. I'll start and I'll finish it off fast.
Okay. Okay.
I just want to go back to the day this your brochure came to our ISTD Mangalore Udupi. And I don't know, but I was the first one to contact Nivedita and say that I would want to go to this program. And if there is anybody else, I would be very happy. And that's the message I put in the group. And the reason why I put this message was I am an ICC member in about 8 to 10 organizations. I started in the year 2013 in the Police Commissioner's Office when I did not know anything about POSH, absolutely nothing about POSH. And that was when we started. And I remember I used to contact people at National School, Law School Bangalore, and get ideas from them and get information from them. Then it went on. But then still with all these also I had gaps. So I wanted to fill that gaps. And that is the reason why I asked Madam Nivedita, saying that, can you include me in this? I am so happy. I want to call this 4 days program saying that it's a spark in our life. I'm going to associate it with the spark because I think the way everybody spoke, Malini and, all of them spoke, I feel that it has brought out the flame, the light within us outside, and being a teacher myself for nearly 30 years, I want to say that teachers have 3 loves. One is love of learning, which I think Sandeep Swar spoke about. One is love for the learners, and one is to bring these 2 loves together. And I think all the resource team from, Madam Rashmi to Anu and Smita and Leena are the true example for this for me. Because they have they have given us knowledge, they have given us, fantastic skills, but they have brought out the potentials that were there within us. And for that, I want to thank all of you all. And especially again, I want to thank Rashmi Madam for that beautiful balancing that I saw. The balancing of affection with discipline. A very clear-cut line saying, yes, I know you like me, but this is this. And that balance I really loved as a teacher and as a mental health professional. And all the 3 of y'all for being able to, give us a chance to voice out our doubts, voice out our, the confusion that we had, and being able to make things very clear. One word to Gurvinder, I want to make a mention. who made us laugh, especially when we wanted to sleep. Because the afternoon time, he would come out with a fantastic tagline saying, I'm going to click a snap. And that is the time all of us women who are very fond of snaps, photos, gave a smile to him. And today he was a spark of our life, because we were so anxious today about our technology. So we had continuous messages for him. Are you going to put us into the breakthrough? What is happening to the Google form and things like that? And he really smoothened our lives by just very sweet, husky voice saying, don't worry, we are there. And at a point, he even told us women, you can go on talking, I'll do my work. And I think that's a beautiful coordination that is there. So I really want to thank you all. I think all of you all were like a torch in the forest, because a torch does not show us the whole picture once. It shows us step by step where to go. And that's exactly what you have done. And for me, many of my gaps have been filled. A lot of my skill has been polished. Anu, I want to thank you for that. I've been conducting in Mangalore, I've been conducting, but you have taught me new ways of conducting. And I really want to thank you for that. I want to thank Smita and Leena for that legal, backup that you have given me when I used to run to national school. Now I know whom I will run to, and I will always come back to you. Thank you very much. And thank you
Ramila
to
ji.
all
Thanks a
my
lot.
participants.
Barnali ji,
Thank
be
you.
short, please.
Yes. Thank you, Dr. Joshi, for giving me the opportunity to speak. First of all, I must thank my organization for having given me the opportunity to get introduced to ISTD. And today, after 4 days of learning, initially, just before the training started, there were apprehensions because POSH 2013, POSH Act itself is a heavy material, heavy stuff, heavy topic. So I was quite apprehensive about this training. How will we pass the 4 days? And I must say, at the end of this training program, I feel so much enriched, so much empowered, because the knowledge that I have gained from your faculty members, the entire design of the training program has given me so much confidence, because I am an IC member, to conduct any such proceedings if it ever happens in my area. So this has not only empowered me, I get the opportunity even to empower my daughters, give them the information. I was talking to some of my friends that I just completed a 4-day training program, and they were very enthusiastic. Hame bhi batao, kya hua, kya hai? So I can at least introduce them to what it is, what they should be doing primarily, and also refer ISTD to be one of the organizations wherein they can get more information and themselves get more empowered. Specifically, I would like to thank the 3 faculty members who have been so wonderful. I respect you all for your knowledge base. And even today during my presentation, I have asked my mentors whether I can fall back on you when I need them. And I have really got a support from them, which I really appreciated. I appreciate all the love that you have given us, all the 3 of you. In fact, if you see the chats, it is as if we are their children and they are the mothers, and they are so worried about how we are going to perform. I never experienced such sort of thing in any training program. Thank you, madams. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Thank you, Barnali ji. Suchita, I think this will be the...
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody.
Yeah, be brief, please. Yeah.
I particularly wanted to speak because I am already a student of ISTD 84th batch training and development.
Okay.
So I wanted to thank all the teachers, all the trainers who took out time to train us from being a novice to a person who knows, so much into a subject like POSH. And I remember myself when I started this training, I did not expected that much of knowledge gain in just 3 or 4 days. But when I was giving the presentation since yesterday, I was so happy that I wanted to go on and on with the presentation, and I was finding that even the 5 minutes of time was too less. So I want to thank the training fraternity, the people who manage this kind of training to help us grow in our career. I would definitely make sure that I use this knowledge to upgrade other skill as well as a trainer. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Suchita. In fact, I just want to call somebody from THDC, Madhvi, because from Rishikesh, 6 participants have joined. Somehow I could not see the window open. So, जो आपके सामने रहता है उसी से आप बात करते हैं. So, Madhvi, please.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon, everybody. First of all, I would
Can
like
you
to thank
switch on your video, please?
yeah, now my video is on. Sir.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank THDC India Limited for giving us opportunity to be in this training program. All the 6 participants who took part in this program, all are IC members in this organization at 2 different units. So it was necessary for us to know to have in-depth knowledge of POSH, as well as I think I understand that our organization expects us to make spread awareness about POSH in our organization also. So the program, which was this 4-day program, has fulfilled our expectation. Leena ma'am threw light about all the sections and laws of which all the regulations enacted in the POSH. As she also threw light on the IPC sections and gave us broad knowledge about what are the differences, what are the limits of POSH and the IPC. So when we are here in our organization spreading the awareness, we will also it will help us. So where to go for what and Anu ma'am's session was something which was new to us, because being a technical person, engineering background person, so that was really very new subject for us, and that will definitely help us in becoming a good trainer. I would like to say that we are the person who are in the 37.5% of this training batch, who are totally new to conducting some training program. Till date, we have not conducted any formal training. So Leena ma'am, Anu ma'am, as well as Smita ma'am, Smita ma'am made this POSH rule so simple for us to understand that this will definitely help us in performing our duty as IC members, what we are expected to do, or whatever the situation will be. This will definitely help us. I also like to thank Rashmi madam and Gurvinder ji, who coordinated this program so well. And thank you ISTD for giving us such an opportunity, and my organization also. Thank you.
Thank you, Madhvi. You summed it up very well. And in fact, I will request all the participants that when they go back, they design programs for their organization. And whatever way ISTD can help, assist, we are there with you. But you must conduct programs because you are coming out here as trainers. So already you are all trainers. The certificate will be there shortly.
I hope so. Thank you.
Yeah. And majority of you have qualified. A couple of you probably who could not submit the exam and all that. But I think more than 90% have qualified this exam in both the written as well as the presentations, excellent presentations. We will be sending, in fact, you will be getting 2 certificates, the certificate of participation and the certified POSH trainer certificate. So we will be delivering both through mail, as well as the physical copies will also be posted in a couple of days. So that is one announcement that I wanted to make.
So I just have a doubt. Can I ask? I just have a doubt regarding the training,
Nita,
POSH training. Now, if we get the certificates, let's say now I'm in Nasik. So how would I be, now supposing I design a program, now do I have to go by the format, like whatever, following the protocol and everything? And if I add a couple of, how do I get to know about the opportunities which are available in the organizations? Do I place an ad? What is the procedure for the POSH training?
Any one of the faculty would like to, maybe Anu, you can.
Yeah, so I presume, Neetaji, you are asking from a standpoint of an external consultant, independent consultant. Am I right?
Any training opportunity for
Oh,
POSH.
okay. So for an independent consultant, the first step could be you can proudly, first of all, you can proudly, add to your signature as well as on your social media channel. You can announce it to the world that you are certified POSH trainer from ISTD. So that would be your first announcement to the world.
Okay.
And the second thing that you may want to check, that, every now and then, at least I keep finding these opportunities where the organizations are asking for certified POSH trainers.
Okay.
Yeah, but for that to happen, you need to be in the right ecosystems. Yeah, right circles, as you said, right WhatsApp groups and
So
LinkedIn.
I guess it's just networking.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes, it's just
Yeah,
networking.
yeah,
Mostly.
precisely.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Neetaji, I can add here that POSH training is one of the mandatory training, and there are ample opportunities for the trainer. Every organization is looking forward for certified trainer to deliver training. Wherever you are going for training, first of all, a word of advice, understand what is the requirement of the organization, what is their POSH policy, what is it that is worrying them, what are the concerns that they want to address. Design your training program around these issues. The training program should talk less about, what are the redressal procedures and other things about the nuances of the law. Rather than it should focus more on the positive behaviors that people should showcase. What is appropriate at workplace, what is not appropriate, what they should do in case they're facing any, concerns. So people should feel empowered when they are going through your program. Keep in touch. We all learn from each other.
From our side, can we add in modules on communication skills, personality development?
Yes. You can always customize it
yes.
as per the requirement and make it, as interesting as possible.
Thank you.
Great. All the best.
Because basically, you are the designer of the program which you are going to deliver. So how you can add whatever you feel like, because there are so many dimensions, of communicating things.
Yeah.
So you can always add. And the first thing, as Smitaji has rightly said, there's the requirement and the need.
Yes.
And you should do a thorough analysis of the organization, what exactly they are looking for from you, and then weave your program around that, curate your program around that.
Yeah, because I thought a lot of elements on communication skills could be added over, because the choice of words and the tone and the way you speak.
Yeah, very much, very much. Okay. So thank you all. I mean, the list is so long, we can continue on and on. It will never end. So we have to end the
also
feedback.
tell them that the next program is starting in the first week
Yeah.
of August.
Our next program is from 3rd of August. That also we will be circulating to all very soon. You can ask your participant, your friends from your organizations. Those who wish to join this program are most welcome. So now coming back and taking the program forward, my National Vice President, Mr. Daniel Kurian, is here. He was there to encourage us all on the first day also. Today I requested him to please join us for the valedictory session, and I'm grateful to him that he made it a point to say a few words. I'll request Mr. Daniel Kurian to please say a few words.
Thank you, Dr. Joshi. Good afternoon to one and all. Dear Miss Nivedita, Chairperson of Mangalore Chapter, Sri R. Vikraman, Director HR, Neyveli Lignite Corporation, our Dr. Rashmi and her team, Dr. Joshi, Mr. Gurvinder and NHQ team. I am really overwhelmed with the response of these participants. That is not only an acknowledgement to the faculty and the organizers, but also it is challenging us to conduct this type of programs. ISTD has taken this pandemic as an opportunity and conducted several programs and also already designed certain programs. Now, my wish to all these participants, they should conduct at least 4 programs in a year so that they will be able to convey whatever they are learning. As Ms. Vaishali was telling, learning is treasured. Of course, it is treasured, but when you impart training, and learning will be more treasured. I wish all of you success in the future life and all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Kurian. Now, coming to the guest of honor of today's program. First of all, I would like to share the name of Mr. Rakesh Prasad Singh, Director HR Utkal, who was one of the guest of honors, and he gave me a ring that because of the rescheduling, he was not able to come to the program as he had another meeting in progress. However, when I asked him that if we have a message for the participant, he said yes. He said because the POSH program has become so important, so the program should not end here. And all the participants who have been here present in the program and have learned the nuances of the program must carry forward this program. As Mr. Kurian also has said that you must do 4 programs. So his appeal to all of you was also to sensitize people in their organization about the act and about how to conduct. You know, it is a very sensitive act. And especially you all are women leaders. Today, all those women who are present in this program are leaders of tomorrow. Some of you are already leaders, but those of you who are budding leaders, I'll request them to please take more and more out of this program. And as I was told, this WhatsApp group will continue. So your learned faculty will be there to assist you. And of course, whenever you have any queries, you will be able to get their free advice in the times to come. So I'm sure all of you will, and please keep us informed. Whenever you are doing a program, just send a message that you are doing. We will definitely look forward to it, that whatever contribution we can make, we will always be there with you. Now it is the term of Ms. Nivedita Mirachkar, the chairperson, ISTD Mangalore chapter, who has been instrumental right from the beginning in popularizing this program. And the kind of efforts she has done, I'm really grateful for her. And I would like her to share her words of wisdom with us. Nivedita Mirachkar, please.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon to everybody present over here. If there is one thing that comes across, whether it's on the WhatsApp group or in the program that I'm attending right now, what I see is the ownership. And the ownership started right with whom you are calling as Mother Hen, Rashmi Bhargava. I don't think she's a mother hen. For me, she's a Ashtabhuja Devi. Because from the time I've known her, when we got into this team together in the board of certification, what I have seen is Ashtabhuja Devi. She simultaneously can take on everybody and everything. No task is too big for her. Rashmi, I won't say hats off to you. I will say Sashtang Namaskar to you. You prove your Devi status by doing what you plan to do. She has taken on...
You people will make me cry. So...
No, I mean it. I mean it. Rashmi has been... she took over as the chairman just a few months, maybe less than 2 months ago for our board. But she took the program forward. She took ownership for it. And she said, ye apna hai, ye karna hai. Those are her words. And she did just that. If you take the entire team with Avinash and the rest of his team, I think what they have done is they've taken ownership. So, all of you who are talking about Gurvinder's sexy, husky voice, his work is equally beautiful. He's there, he does his work, and he doesn't wait for the credit. That's Gurvinder for you. Everybody has taken their time out. They've been working till 10 o'clock sometimes because I used to get messages late at night. So the entire NHQ team, please take a bow You really did a fabulous job in delivering this program. So your ownership was stunning. The other chapter members from other ISTD chapters, diploma students from ISTD diploma, and institutional members who have joined over here, your ownership is par excellence. I'm reading the chat box over here. I'm reading the messages on WhatsApp, and what comes across is your fantastic ownership of the program itself. What do I say about the Teen Devis, the trainers? I've heard of trainers. I've heard of gentlemen, and I've heard of ladies. But these are a gentleman's gentleman, a trainer's trainer, a lady's lady. You guys are superlative. I had the opportunity to interact with them on Sunday for a little bit of time during the meeting, the pre-prep for the workshop. We were together. And the first thing I told my family was, these trainers are mad. They are more committed to this than the organizers. That's what came across from these 3 trainers, non-ISTD trainers. That's what came across to me. They are mad. And when you go at a madness level, it's difficult to calibrate it. So thank you, girls, for this absolute amazing example of what a trainer should be. So Leena, Anu, and Smita, absolutely in your fan club. Like somebody said, I'm in your fan club. Well, I'm in yours. You guys did a fantabulous job of na din hai, na raat hai, na subah hai, na sham hai. You were there all the time. So fantastic. I think as trainers, we all can learn that there is no training time. You're only a trainer. Just like, once you become a mother, you're just that. So Rashmi, mother hen, these Devis with their unlimited commitment. And last but not the least, a huge thank you to 11 people from my chapter who put their money where my mouth is. बोलना तो सबको होता है, program अच्छा है, हमने ही बनाया है, बढ़िया है, but they put their money where my mouth was put. So thank you all 11 from my chapter for joining over here. And I'm reading that on our chapter group. The presentations went on excellently. So thank you so much to all the 11 from my chapter who made all of us proud. Last, what I say is, in today's times, a super spreader event is considered negatively, but I hope this event is a super spreader and all 55 of you become super spreaders of the POSH knowledge. I wish you all the success. Thank you so much.
Can I just pitch in?
Sure.
Nivedita has been my constant support. Nothing would have been possible without her support. Thanks, Nivedita, for everything.
Thank you. Thanksgiving.
Thank you.
Now is the time for the chief guest of the program. And here we have Shri R. Vikraman, Director HR, Neyveli Lignite Limited. Let me tell you, Neyveli Lignite Limited is a company which is engaged in the mining of lignite as well as power generation. And it is generating power no less than 3640 megawatt, which is a substantial contribution. And it is a Schedule A Navratna company, PSU of the Government of India, a very, very significant contribution in the South. And Mr. Vikraman is a hardcore HR professional, though a mechanical engineer. Later on, he switched over to HR and has been instrumental in working as HR professional. He is the fellow of Institution of Engineers, as well as the member of Board of Studies, Business Administration, Anna Malai University, Chairman, Neyveli Chapter of NIPM, recipient of Lifetime Achievement Award from the Lions International, and received awards for excellent professional contribution to Utkal University, Bhubaneswar. So here we have a true HR professional, Mr. R. Vikraman. Please, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's a great honor for me to have joined all of you in this evening on this valedictory function. I miss Dr. Alka Mittal, my colleague, director on board of another CPSC. Nevertheless, Dr. Joshi is there, Madam Rashmi Bhargava is there, excellent faculty members, Madam Miss Leena, Smita, and Anu is there. The National Vice President of ISTD, Mr. Daniel, and lovely participants from different organizations. Congratulations to every one of you for having attended this wonderful program to become a coveted ISTD certified trainer on post. It's not a small certification like all other training programs. It's a different kind of training wherein the struggles and the problems faced by women folks in their workplaces have to be contained, and with which a law has been enacted by the Government of India after more than 20 years of the direction by the Honorable Supreme Court in Vishaka's case, that came into live, and every organization, be it government or the private, has to implement the same and put it in position. So it goes without saying that until and otherwise the team to implement the act and provisions are enabled and enriched, the implementation will not take full credit. So as you all know, our country is evolving from different culture and customs. In our culture, we worship our land as motherland. We worship our rivers in the name of woman, Ganga, Kaveri, Yamuna. Our sisterhood is a pride in our culture. Every aspect of Indian culture was given a pride to women in all aspects, including Mother Nature. I would like to quote the ancient Tamil scholars and this one. You all will be knowing Avaya was a great saint and poet who gave a lot of meaningful poems, including the Adi Chudi and Kondrai Vendar. The basic things which are thought to be taught to the young children. I just wanted to quote one small poem from the great poet of South, Subramanya Bharati, who taught to a young child called Papa in Tamil. This goes like that. This is only an excerpt of 4 lines I read from that poem. Padagam Saivarai Kandal, Nam Bayam Kollal Agadu Papa. Modi Midithu Vidu Papa, our Mugatil Urindu Vidu Papa. It's like this. Don't be afraid of evildoers. Go outright, bang and crush them to your feet. Spit on their face. That is the way that poet has provided a good teaching to young child. Our country is full of women warriors, great warriors who fought the freedom struggle for this country, like Rani Lakshmi Bai, who fought for Jhansi, and Velu Nachiyar in South, who fought for the Ramanathapuram province against the British rule. I wanted to say that recently, Government of India has recognized the contribution of Velu Nachiyar by naming a train in New Delhi. In independent India, we used to borrow various technologies from Western East countries for our industrial revolution. Along with the technology, their culture also infiltrated our nation, and it necessitated us to enact this Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Act 2013. Understanding the Act, its applications, relevance, and its suitability in a particular context will ensure justice for the affected women. Many people think the training is as easy as knowledge, the subject matter, and being able to communicate well. While you all need absolutely both these qualities, they are hardly enough to make an effective trainer. It often said that the mediocre teacher tells, the good teacher explains, the superior teacher demonstrates, and the great teacher inspires. Almost everyone who is ever wondered how to be a good trainer has also wondered how to inspire learners to perform at their best. And when it comes to delivering an effective training program, the qualities of a good trainer can make all the differences. I am happy to see that this ISTD program, ISTD through this program has taken a right initiative at the right time on developing trainers rather than just providing training on the subject. I could see the same reflecting through the wonderful feedbacks and reflections from the participants. See, as you all know, harassment of women at workplace is rampant at all levels, be it at court, topmost judges, be it at administrative level at bureaucracy. All the more is very rampant in the very disciplined services, including police. It is more predominant in the top levels. I could quote a number of examples. In Tamil Nadu, with reference to Tamil Nadu recent happenings, there has been cases of harassment of women at workplace, both at top and bottom level. At top level, one of the DGP, Director General of Police, who is at the top echelon of the police force, was charged for harassing his colleague. The colleague is at the level of Superintendent of Police, who is heading the district, police. So also, in this pandemic, as you all know, all our physical activities have been converted into virtual mode, including administration, various meetings, conduct of classes for school and college students. With the advent of the WhatsApp, Instagram, and all other social medias, the rampancy in harassment of women at workplace has increased rather than decreased. Recently, there was a case you would have come across in Tamil Nadu. In one of the school, a teacher who was conducting virtual classes was caught red-handed while harassing the students. So this is the way things are going in this country. So it's the right time for every organization to put things in proper perspective. In the sense, the true implementation of the POSH Act is an essential and absolute need of the hour. You would have all come across what are all the nuances in the Act and implementation, like formation of internal complaints committee where there is more than 10 employees. If the number of employees are less than 10, you will have to form a local committee, and the aggrieved person has to make the complaint within a period of 3 months. And in case there is a delay, the committee can condone. In case of physical and mental incapability of a person who suffered the harassment, could make use of her legal hair to make a complaint. And first, you will not go straight into the inquiry mode. You will go with the conciliation mode to settle the dispute. And if there is no resolution possible, or if you are not able to implement the resolution which has been made, you will have to proceed with the inquiry. And the inquiry is nothing but a disciplinary action of a sort in an organization under relevant rules like CDA rules or certified standing orders. And whenever the charges are proved, it will be treated as misconduct, warranting appropriate punishment to be imposed. And there is a follow-up mechanism. All this blah blah you would have been taught by the excellent trainers. In fact, there is another dimension also. Over the years, as you all know, Prevention of Sexual Harassment Act has helped many women in getting justice for the cases of sexual harassment they have faced. However, it has also become a threatening tool for some women to extort money or other favors from their organizations through malicious POSH complaints. There is sometimes a lack of awareness among employees, which can lead to unwanted cases of sexual misconduct. Also, many organizations do not know how to set up a proper post-complaint redressal system or constitute ICC. Hiring an external member for a ICC is also an issue that organizations frequently face. The solution to all these problems lies in post-training of employees and management of the organization through a professional team. Then how this post-training helps? Conducting the post-training on employees help them to get aware of the rights under POSH Act. This helps women to come out and report any sexual misconduct from a college or a senior in workplace, and so ensures a safe working environment. The post-training also enables employees to learn about fake POSH complaints and what can be categorized as malicious complaints. This can reduce the number of false or fake complaints in the organization. Proper post-training for management makes them aware of the process to create a robust and effective complaint redressal mechanism. It also helps the management to set up an internal complaint committee. How to get post-training for the employees is another question. You can have the trainers already who have got trained through such programs, or you can have a contact with the law firms which has experts with complete knowledge on this POSH Act. And those who have experience of conducting training sessions for the employees in prestigious organizations will also be of much help. These firms mostly have professionals who have worked in ICC of other organizations and can help creating ICC in the new company. Conducting post-training sessions for employees, as you all know, is a mandatory, and I got through someone making a suggestion that it should be at least once in a period of 1 year, 4 trainings, so that the employees understand the consequences of sexual misconduct and what act constitutes sexual harassment. This will help in creating a more secure and tension-free environment for women at workplace. As Confucius told, I hear and forget, I see and remember, I do and understand. But it is not what you have undergone is not yet another training program. The certified trainer in POSH is the program which creates certified trainers, or otherwise resource persons, experts in the area of prevention of sexual harassment at workplace. Train the trainer is a process of creating facilitators who can understand the performance problem of the organization, who can scientifically identify the cause of the problems and the needs of the organizations and people, who can scientifically design a people-oriented solution for enhancing the performance of the organization, and who can facilitate the change process in the organization. Who is he? He is the trainer of the trainers. That is why this organization, NLC India Limited, has nominated around 5 of our executives from legal and other departments, including the representatives of women in public sector from NLC India Limited. It's if every organization has resource persons like you people who have got trained with the certification from ISTD, they will certainly create awareness. They will certainly create awareness among women and men for better workplace. They will ensure also better implementation and compliance of the provisions of the Act. I am sure the course which you have underwent, the program which you have underwent covered the topics like genesis, prevention, prohibition and redressal of the Act, sexual harassment of working women, concept and dimensions, importance of prevention of sexual harassment at workplace, judicial promulgations, important case laws, etc., etc. I have gone through the design, has also covered the anthropology of principles of facilitating learning. I hope the participants have richly got benefited on legal, corporate and training aspects of POSH and will be able to conduct such programs in their organizations. Knowing is not enough. We must apply. Willing is not enough. We must do. The enhancing performance is the ultimate goal of the Train the Trainer program. The success of this program depends upon creating a positive work environment in your places and ensuring zero complaint of sexual harassment in your organizations. Please aim for zero complaint from women on sexual harassment and 100% compliance of the Act in your workplace. I request all the participants to work on this motto and add value to the women working in each and every of your organization and create a positive work culture for a higher productivity and quality, and in turn add value to the nation's growth. With this, I conclude. I congratulate every one of you who would have been successful, as rightly told by Dr. Joshi. Almost 90% of you have come through both on theoretical and practical evaluation and get qualified for the certification that you will all be making use of in your organization. Wish you all the best. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Mr. Vikraman, for a very, very illuminating and all comprehensive concluding remarks. And in fact, you summed it up. Our 3 days of workshop, you have beautifully done it. I'm really impressed with the knowledge of not only of the Act. Being HR head, one understands the organizational requirement and how the zero compliant You know, I mean, that is the target, and every one of you who has come here should aim at that. There should not be any instance. And you know, you people have to become catalyst now. You already have become the POSH certified trainers, and I must congratulate all of you for becoming the trainer. Now, the light, जो यहाँ ज्योति जली है, you have to carry forward that light. So with these words, I thank every one of you who has joined and made this program successful program. Let me tell you, we will be sending those certificates to you shortly, and the digital certificates will reach you by tomorrow, and the physical certificates maybe in a week's time you will be receiving. I hope everyone has given the postal address. If you have not given the postal addresses where we have to send the certificates, please mail it to us so that our directory is complete. And I'm thankful to you for bearing with us, because we were to finish this program by lunch, but because of the love, the affection, and the sharing of emotions, you know, ultimately it is the emotion. If from legal point of view we have touched the emotional core of your heart, my day is done, my program is successful. Kudos to you all, and I'm really grateful to Mr. Vikraman, because only last day, yesterday, when I was looking at the list of the participants, I thought we must call Mr. Vikraman, because he represents the organization who has sponsored 6 candidates. In fact, that's what we have done. Dr. Alka Mittal, she has also sponsored 6 candidates. Mr. Vijay Goyal, the chairman of THGC India Limited, had also sponsored 6 candidates. So all our PSU friends, I'm also from PSU, from THGC India Limited, and worked all my life in the power PSUs, as Mr. Vikraman comes from. I started my career with NTPC, and thereafter went to Satluj Jal Vidyut Nigam in Himachal, then THGCIL, and the Director HR in Uttarakhand Jal Vidyut Nigam State PSU. So this was my short journey, and I want to thank all Rashmi ji, Anu, Leena, Smita, Gurvinder. In fact, Gurvinder, where are you? I can't see you. Gurvinder? Here is Gurvinder. So in fact, I have been seeing so many messages. Gurvinder kahan hai? Everybody wanted to see him. Gurvinder, जरा हाथ हिला दो अपना. In fact, जितना ज़्यादा सम्मान गुरविंदर को मिला है यहाँ पे, मैं आप सब लोगों को तहे दिल से शुक्रिया करना चाहता हूँ, because that boy, he has worked relentlessly day in and out, because कई चीजें हमें पता भी नहीं होती, he is doing back end, and it is only because he understands the process. He is not the one कि हम उसको instruction कभी नहीं देते हैं कि क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है. You know, the majority of the team members, they have understood their role. You know, इस तरह से प्रोग्राम करने के लिए you cannot follow that pattern कि हमने किसी को instruction दे दिए, चार्ट बना दिए, करना है. But everyone emotionally, physically have become part of the process, part and parcel of this program, and that is why. And without all you lovely participants, even now at the end of the day, everybody is smiling. Some of the windows though are गुरविंदर, तुमने फोटो खींचा सबका? एक बार फोटो तो खींच लो यार. अभी चीफ गेस्ट बैठे हुए हैं. एक बार we want some good pictures to be taken of all the participants. I'll request the participants at the closing time, please open your windows. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. गुरविंदर, please take the pictures. In fact, बार-बार हम लोगों को अनुरोध करना पड़ा, and we can understand. And the active participation, I am very happy that till last moment, everyone of you, nobody has left in between. Otherwise, in some of the programs, it becomes difficult for us to maintain the attendance, everybody present. So that way, we are very lucky to get such beautiful participants whose level of involvement was more than 100%. It is not 100%, more than that. And it is visible on your faces. So I really thank one and all for your lovely participation. I wish you all the best in your career as ambassadors of ISTD. I'm very sure that when you go back, you encourage others in your organization to do this course. If you want, it to be promoted. If ISTD wants to conduct, we can also come in and conduct. Where the number of participants is more in your organization, ISTD will come and conduct programs for yourself. So I'll request you to please promote the program, become the office bearer, become the torch bearers of this program, and also conduct the programs. So I forgot to take Nivedita's name. My team, Lakshmi. In fact, Lakshmi, are you visible? Please, Lakshmi को नहीं देखा आप लोगों ने?
So she can come to my seat.
She can come to your seat. Hema. In fact, these are members of my team. जिनके आपने mails भी ये लोग भेजते रहे हैं, material भी भेजते रहे हैं. Whatever is being done back end is being performed by Hema, Lakshmi, Gurvinder, all this team. I thank you all the participants. Have a nice day. Thank you. With this, we come to an end. Namaskar.
I won't thank them, but I'll say sorry for troubling them too much.
वो कहते हैं ना कि love and war में no sorry. So there is no sorry here. So thank you all. Thanks a lot for joining.